What is hijrah or migration? Who can explain me what is meant by hijrat or migration? What do you understand by hijrah and migration? Yes, Shayan, go ahead.
Migration in simple terms means to go from a place that you are fully familiar with, or you spent some of your life with and you move from that place to a place you are not familiar with, or you've just heard about but don't know it properly, or haven't had experiences there.
Excellent answer, Shayan. Yes, so migration means that you move from one place where you were living and you settle into another place. In the case of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions Sahaba Karam, they moved from Makkah to Medina. So that's they had to move in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So in the previous ayah, we saw that those people who migrate and who do jihad, jihad. The other thing is also in Islam, it also means moving away from bad to good. So it's not like we say, okay, in that time, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions, they were oppressed and they were not allowed to pray and everything. So naturally they had to move, they migrated. But you know, it really, the concept of migration doesn't apply to us. No, it does apply to us, because migration also means in Islam, from this context, that we move away from bad to good. We leave away bad habits and we move towards good habits. And this is the jihad that we do. This is what we strive for. We always strive for. So if leaving Fajr is a bad thing, because obviously we have been asked to do it, leaving Fajr prayer, if you really strive and if you do the jihad and you put up 3 alarms, 4 alarms, you ask your mom, you ask your dad, please wake me up, please wake me up, I don't want to miss Fajr prayer. This is what you're doing jihad, and you're migrating from leaving Fajr to actually performing Fajr. So that's also a migration. So anything that you move away from bad to good, to something that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has told you to do. If you have a bad habit and you leave it, you are migrating from that thing, that place, to a much, much better state or a much, much better situation. So this is also the meaning of migration in the context of Islam. And jihad means when you strive, when you struggle to do things that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has asked us to do. It can be any good thing, and it can be keeping yourself away from any bad thing as well.